Hello guys, myself Aryan and you are watching the Timelapse Studio. Let's get started. So guys, I make time-lapse videos. I have already completed with the sunrise, sunset, water evaporation, the candle, the clock and the clouds. If you have not watched it, the link is in the description. Go and watch. So today we are with a new idea of the washing machine. So let's put our camera in the washing machine and let's get started. Alright guys, hope you like the video. So leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment the favorite part of the video, and yes, don't forget to share with your family and friends. And if you have any suggestions regarding the time lapse, comment down. So alright, see you in the next one.